Welcome to the discussion of Edexcel IGCSE practice questions on Petty Cash Book. This question is from 2019 Gen paper question 12. They have mentioned in the question that Patel has a full set of books including the Petty Cash Book. His float is 250 while he had a balance of 166 on 1st of November, along with the float being restored on the same day. The transactions related to November are given and we have been asked to prepare the Petty Cash Book for November, bringing down the balance for 1st December. When attempting this question, first go through the format of the Petty Cash Book very well. Note that the receipts column in the Petty Cash Book is the debit column here, which records all cash received by the petty cashier. All cash payments are recorded on the credit side, which is the total column. The figures recorded in the total column should then be recorded under the suitable category of expenses. Starting to enter these in the Petty Cash Book, first we should record the opening balance on the debit side since cash is an asset. This will be 166 in the receipts column. Next, the restoration of float will be the difference between 250 and 166, which is 84, which the petty cashier received. So, record this figure on the debit side as cash book because this money is released from the main cashier. Next, the interviewee's travel cost is an expense of cash, so record it in the total column. In this case, record the respective voucher number also. Since it is a travel-related expense, put it in the travel column too. The rest, postage stamps, payment to Jones, taxi payment, photocopy paper cost, and payment to Peter are all cash expenses, so record them in the total columns. Then, postage stamps is relevant to postage and stationery. Jones should be recorded also under ledger accounts along with Peter's being done the same. Considering tax fare should also be recorded under travel and paper under stationery. Bringing the records into an end, now we should balance it off. In this case, first get the total of the receipts column and expense columns. The subcategories of expenses should just be totaled only. In the case of the total column, after you get the total of it, minus it with the total of the receipts column. This will be the balance carried down, brought down to the next month. Part B of this same question asks us to prepare the travel account relevant to this Petty Cash Book. The only additional record required here is the total figure in the Petty Cash Book. First, enter the opening balance in this T account. Since travel is an expense account, the opening balance will be on debit side, since they have not mentioned specifically whether it is accrued or prepaid. Next, the Petty Cash Book travel column total should be debited in the T account, since increase in expenses should be debited. Finally, we should balance it down. Part C of this question asks us which section will the petty cash balance be recorded in the SOFP. Since the petty cash balance is on the debit side, it is an asset. Therefore, it should be recorded under current assets. Coming to the end of this question, you can find this question in the link given in the video description. Click subscribe and stay tuned for more of such useful videos that will aid you at your IGCSE. Next, we will be looking at practice questions related to accruals and prepayments. Study well and have a great day.